When it comes to building AI decisioning tools, most martech companies today are getting it wrong. Not because the AI is bad, it's because the foundations are backwards. See, AI doesn't question strategy, it scales it. So if your system is trained on the wrong kind of data, it'll automate the wrong strategy, but at scale. I'll walk through why most AI decisioning tools are automating the best of primarily suboptimal strategies, and how there should be a new approach to the concept of data on which the AI strategy is built. Most AI decisioning tools learn from historical patterns. They score propensities, they find lookalike segments, and they recommend next best action based on what correlates to success before. But all of that is based on correlation. It's pattern matching. Customers who did X tended to do Y and vice versa. In other words, it's predicting based on the status quo. So what? This is how marketing has been done for decades. But the catch is this: prediction is not the same as influence. Just because the AI can predict what might happen doesn't mean it can provide a recommendation as to what will change the outcome. The risk with this operating model is that the AI could automate correlation at scale. Customers receive repetitive experiences. You don't see significant uplift with your campaigns. You may see a boomerang effect, and your marketing spend is out of the window. Causal data flips the question from what happened to what actually works. It records the results of an action or treatment and compares it to a control. Now, AI can evaluate alternatives. If we do A instead of B, what actually changes? Using AI that encodes causal relationships appropriately also gives marketers more detailed explanations and audits on campaigns. They know what worked, in what context, and why. So, the problem isn't AI, it's AI trained on correlation. Causal data turns AI decisioning from a pattern matching engine into an impact engine. One that learns from every interaction and gets better over time to compound your marketing growth.